Hi, this is Laura with Meyerhoff & Associates. I'm here to show you a beautiful, brand newly remodeled studio apartment in Fruitvale. It's just steps from the Fruitvale Bart, so very convenient. Here's the newly updated kitchen. It's got a gas stove and hood, quartz countertops, a large sink. The dishwasher is going to be installed very soon. There's even an in-unit washer and dryer that's going to be right there. A refrigerator. Over here you have a dining area, room for a table. And then here's the main room. It gets lots of natural light. We've got brand new blinds on the way. But huge windows, very large room. They're newly double paned windows and a new heater, new electrical in the whole unit. So here's this large room, and then there's a closet over here. It's pretty deep, has storage up top, and then here's the remodeled bathroom. It's almost done. It just needs a window up there at the top for a little more light. Has nice tile floors, updated vanity. And then the shower itself is beautiful with this designer tile. So, I can't wait to show you this place in person.